In this video, we will cover how to perform a grain moisture calibration on the Ag Leader Edge display. From the home screen, press the Setup button, press Harvest, press the Calibration tab, press the Moisture button, select the correct field and region, adjust the moisture offset so that the percentage in the window matches the percentage that you have recorded with your tester. Once this is complete, press the green check mark. We have now covered how to perform a grain moisture calibration on the Ag Leader Edge display. For more information on Ag Leader products, please refer to your local Ag Leader dealer, other tutorial videos on the Ag Leader YouTube channel, or the Ag Leader knowledge base at support.agleader.com. To find an Ag Leader dealer in your area, please visit our website at www.agleader.com and use the Find a Dealer feature located on the home page.